Hello! In front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71. In this video I will show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's enter settings and go to security. Now enter screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none, then swipe, password, pin, and at the end pattern. Now we can go to fingerprint, and from this menu we can scan our fingerprint on this sensor and then use it to unlock the phone. Just tap on the sensor multiple times. And the last way to unlock the phone is face unlock. Scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.